In this tutorial, we will show you how to receive notifications by email when you're tagged on Facebook right from your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the notification icon located at the top right corner of your screen. Step 3. Next, click on the three dots icon. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to the Notification Settings page. Step 5. Now, click on Tags to open the Tag Notifications section. Step 6. Choose your preferred option between Anyone, Friends, or Friends of Friends to determine who can tag you. Step 7. Finally, toggle on the switch next to Email. By enabling this option, you will receive notifications by email when you're tagged on Facebook. And that's it. You're now set to receive email notifications when you're tagged on Facebook, even when you're using your PC. Stay connected and never miss an important tag again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Stay informed and receive email notifications when you're tagged on Facebook right on your PC.